In today's video, we assemble a DJI Ronin-S. This is brand spanking new right out of the factory, and I'm so excited to show you guys how to put this together. Hey, I'm Luke with Wedding Film Coach. Thanks so much for stopping by the channel. If you're watching this, it probably means you're interested in the DJI Ronin-S, or you have one on the way, or you've already got yours and you're trying to figure out, how do I put this thing together? And so that's what we're gonna do here in this video. We're gonna assemble this because it comes all separated in a box, and so it's not that hard. It's gonna be a real quick video. I'm gonna show you how to do this, and I'm gonna make a few other videos as well. One showing you how to balance it, and then two showing off some of the neat features and user functions for this new gimbal. So let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is actually attach my tripod base to the battery grip. Now, I haven't got a chance to charge this yet, but we're gonna go ahead and put it together, and then I'll balance it for you in another video, and then after I get a chance to charge it, I'll be showing off some footage with it. So let's go. So first of all, we're gonna put on this tripod base plate. The battery pack handle comes with two different sized threads, and so if you want to have an attachment on here, or if you want to use this on a tripod or anything else, it's extremely versatile. You can do that, but for now we're going to use the thread that the tripod base comes with. We're just going to screw that in. There we go. Okay, so make sure that's nice and tight, and there you go. Okay, and so now we're going to put on the gimbal mechanism onto the battery grip. To line this up, it's real simple. Look at where the metallic pins are that are going to connect it to the energy source in the battery handle. And so I know that the pins are here, the metallic the pins are here on the battery grip. So I'm going to slide that in. It's really simple. Just slide it in. Now you have to lock this. Make sure you lock it. It doesn't just snap in place. The lock is on the left-hand side if you have it in your grip. And so you're going to move that lock all the way over towards the front of the gimbal. Now, I've seen a few people who've got this already who are confused by this because the lock mechanism doesn't actually come all the way to the end of this little indentation here, and it feels like it's not locking, it's not moving, it's not going far enough, and some people are breaking this lock mechanism off. It only goes to about halfway through that indentation. For whatever reason, that's the way DJI designed it. I'm not exactly sure, but just lock it until it's firm. You know, don't put a lot of force on it, just enough to make sure that it's tight, and then just give it a test. Just see if it slides off. If it's loose, it's going to slide off. If it's locked in place, if it's secure, it's going to stay there. So you don't have to worry about that. But make sure you don't break that lock mechanism off. So this is the base plate that attaches to your camera and then attaches your camera to the gimbal. And so I'm not going to be putting it on a camera right now. I'm going to do a separate video for the balancing, but for right now, excuse me, assume that you have this on your camera. All you do is slide it right in here. You need to make sure this arm is on the right-hand side where you're looking, so it hangs down straight, and then you're going to want to slide this in. There's a little safety pin right here that you press in, and a little lock mechanism right here that you release, and this is going to allow this slot to slide through nice and easy, and make sure that pin, that safety pin, doesn't get away. And then once you have it where you need it for the balancing, of course, just slide this locking mechanism back over, and that's going to be tight right there. It's not going to slide loose. You're good to go. And so this has been an assembly of the DJI Ronin-S. I am so excited about this gimbal. We're gonna get a camera on here and balance it out in our next video. And so if you have any questions about this gimbal or about using it or anything, let me know. We're gonna have several videos coming out about balancing, about using the app, about its other functions. So stay tuned to this channel. I would love for you to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you know when we have new videos out about this DJI Ronin-S gimbal. And yeah, let me know in the comments what kind of questions you have. I'd love to help you out. It's my goal to be helpful, and I want to help you guys out just to be the best filmmakers you can. If you are a wedding filmmaker, check out my website, weddingfilmcoach.com. It's all about helping beginners get started with wedding filmmaking. There's a free ebook on there for you. Make sure you check those resources out. Thanks so much for stopping by the channel. Enjoy your DJI gimbal if it's on the way. If you already have yours, best of luck putting it all together. Follow this video step by step, and you shouldn't have any problems at all. And yeah, I'm just playing with it now. Hey, have a great day, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.